जी स्टार्ट करेंगे। प्रणाम महाराज। आज कुछ विशेष टॉपिक नहीं महाराज, आज हम लोग ले कुछ अपनी तरफ से आप कुछ एक्स्ट्रा कुछ टॉपिक लीजिए, बताइए।
मैंने एक स्वामी जी ने कहा है, ऑल पावर इज विद इन यू, you can do anything and everything. Believe in that. This is Swamiji's inspiring quotation. All power is within you and you can do anything and everything. Believe in that. But do not believe that you are weak. You can do anything and everything. तो बात ऐसा है, स्वामी जी ने ये कहा है, you can do anything and everything. Don't think you are weak, only believe. Believe in yourself. But it is very difficult in our life. Believe in yourself. So why you are not able to believe in ourselves? So that if power come within us, we can do anything and everything. And we should not feel that we are weak, what Swamiji asks to do us. You can do anything and everything. So why this kind of courage is not coming within us? What is the lacking? Swamiji told me this is a truth, saying some. But what is lacking within us? What is the deficiency within us? So that we cannot develop faith in ourselves. Because he says only believe in that that you are have the infinite power. So many quotations are there. You are the Shiva, you are infinite power is there. You can do anything and everything. But why this belief within us is not coming? What is lacking? What is shortage in us? What are the quality within us? There is a shortage, deficiency, so that we cannot develop the faith, because there is no faith and belief. That is why you are weak. That is why you are struggling. Despondency. Sometimes you are broken up, just turned off. So how to develop the faith within ourselves? What are the hindrance to have a faith on God or faith in ourselves? What are the hindrance? We are not able to faith on ourselves. बोलो तुम लोग इसका आंसर तुम लोग दे सकता है क्वेश्चन किया. बिकॉज ऑफ द हिंडरेंस, वो जो बाधा है, जो हम लोग के अंदर कमी है, वो कमी के कारण तो हमारा ऊपर जो विश्वास है, स्वामी जी ने बार बार कहा, यू आर नॉट वीक, you can do anything and everything. This kind of faith, even a certain percentage of faith, you are not able to develop. तो वो faith लाने के लिए हमारा अंदर क्या कमी है? आम आदमी के लिए क्या कमी है जिससे faith ला नहीं पा रहे? ये आंसर बोलो तुम लोग.
महाराज मैं कह सकते हैं कि हम लोग के अंदर न्यूमरस डिजायर्स हैं, तो हम जिस सिचुएशन ऑफ लाइफ में हम हैं, हम उसी में रहना चाहते हैं, हम उससे बाहर नहीं निकलना चाहते हैं। हम चाहते हैं बस हमारी ये डिजायर्स फुलफिल हो जाएं, दैट्स एनफ। जब कोई एक्सट्रीम पेन आता है आउटसाइड से, देन वी ट्राई टू कम आउट ऑफ दैट, अदरवाइज हम उसमें ही कंटेंटेड रहना चाहते हैं।
रेड्डी बोलो, रेड्डी के बाद सुदीप्त, सुदीप्त के बाद विष्णु, सबको बोलना। रेड्डी।
हाँ महाराज। I think we are not serious towards what we believe that it can make us out from this kind of miserable miseries or sufferings. We are not seriously focused on the correct path. This is what I believe, Maharaj, that that's why we are not able to come out.
Sudipta.
Yes, Maharaj. Yes, that is true. Both, actually, we are not very serious, and because, as Akhil was also saying, because we have so much of the mind is so outward and so much of desires are there, expectation is there. So the mind is not getting settled. So whatever little we have understood, we cannot even conceive it properly and take benefit of it, and so we don't get the confidence to move forward. So these are the basic issue as per me.
Vishnu.
हाँ प्रणाम महाराज।
Yes.
हाँ महाराज, एक्चुअली हम लोगों को इतना कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं है, बराबर है, और वी आर नॉट डेडिकेटेड पर्सन्स, वी आर लाइक राम भरोसे में सब हो जाता है, तो इसके लिए सब प्रॉब्लम है। अगर डेडिकेटेडली करेंगे 100%, जिसे रामकृष्ण स्वामी जी किया, सबको उसका रिजल्ट भी आएगा।
तो हमारा अंदर क्या कमी है? कमी ये है, कोई डिजायर्स, नॉट फोकस्ड, not serious, we are not sincerely doing.
सिंसियरिटी।
So, point is, we are not, or the difficulty is that our love for there is two things, one is world, one is self or God. Our love only for the world, no love for ourselves or God. That is the deficiency. Deficiency is that love for the world, that is why desires, fluctuation of the mind. Why mind is fluctuated? Because so many things we are seeing outside the world, and mind tries to get it. This way get disturbed. As a whole, in a mind is focused on the worldly things, only worldly things. That is why mind is scattered, not focused on God. But our mind is not focused. We depend on not God. Love for the God or self is not there. Love for the world is the root cause of all kind of problems that we cannot develop. That this kind of belief or faith what Swamiji wanted for us, to make for us, that kind of faith, because mind is always focused on the world or worldly things or worldly matter. That is the difficulties, and that is the basic or root cause of our status of mind not able to develop the love for the God. So long as we have the love for the worldly love for the world or worldly thing, so long as this kind of love is there, we cannot develop faith, love for the God. Faith comes from the love If some love is there, faith is there. Just like a child, mother, love is there, faith is there. Whatever mother says, it is 100% correct. So this love, we are not able to develop within us or God or the self. So same way Sri Ramakrishna says, Vishay Virag, Ishware Anurag. Vishay Virag, you should reject Virag, Anurag and Virag. Love for the God and not love for the worldly things. So if you take this, that is why you are not able to develop this kind of belief. And the moment we love the world, there are so much failure in the life that we think we are weak. That is why Swamiji warning us, you can do anything and everything without even the guidance of anyone. All power is there within you. Only you have to love the self, develop the love for the self or God. Within each of you, there is the power to remove all wants and all miseries. Believe in this and that power will be manifested. So we have everybody, we should try to develop love for the God, love for the self. How will develop the love for the God? Constantly thinking of the God in the mind, constantly thinking of the God self, and Swamiji saying, power within you, believe it, believe it, believe it. So a constant thinking process is required to develop love, and the moment you develop the love, faith will come within. God means self. We are the God. So this is first to develop the love by continuous, constant thinking of the God. Whenever you find time in your daily routine, in your daily work, even you are busy, but just switch on. As Brahmananda ji used to tell, when you are doing the work, when you get the time, take the name of the Lord. That constant thinking of the God, everybody has to work to earn their bread. It is not that 24 hours they are working, but whenever they are not working, mind should be aligned such a way that even you get 1 second leisure, 1 minute leisure, his mind aligned such a way, mind should take the name of the Lord instead of thinking negative thoughts. The mind is full of only negative thoughts. Negative in that sense, this thing is there, I have to get this one, and I have to get something full of negativity. So this mind should be aligned such a way whenever you get time, work, after work, mind should switch on to taking the name of the Lord or remembering the Lord's name. So this is the way you can develop the love for the God and then faith on God, faith on ourselves. Anything anybody can add or any comment or questions?
Anybody can ask questions, Sudipto ji or Reddy. Maharaj, you have very beautifully given the clue to entire situation which we are facing. This is I underlined, I pointed out that constant remembrance of God will help you gradually develop love for the God, and that in consequence will develop faith in God. So, Maharaj, somebody may ask that those who have taken any initiation, spiritual initiation, they have a facility to focus on a particular. But if anybody who has not got this opportunity or not have any faith into this system of spiritual initiation, is there any way out for them also?
Question of initiation and non-initiation. The persons who have a genuine love for intense spiritual practice, initiation is helpful. But practically, it is found that most of the people who have got initiation with a fake idea that without my struggle, without my effort, this initiation helped them in spiritual growth. So those who are not sincere in the spiritual knowledge, spiritual practice, initiation has no value for them. It goes wasted because they will not practice it. They have no taste on it. They only take initiation by hearing somebody. If you take the initiation, your problem will be resolved or you will get the peace. It is not initiation, it is a preparation of the mind. It is a practice. Taking the name of the Lord help you to solve their problem. But they have their fake idea. So it is not working. It is not helping them. But even the person who is not initiated, but he has a strong feeling and urge and sincere in taking the name of the Lord, they are better or more helpful from others, those who have taken initiation. That is the difference. Initiations, those who are real seeker, they inside they think, no, I will take initiation so that I can constantly take the name of the Lord as guided by the Guru. For them it is helpful. Otherwise it is not much helpful. They are in the same place, whether they have initiated or not.
Yes, thank you,
I
Maharaj.
think
Point is very well clear. Anybody who has any question can ask. So I think we can wind up my Maharaj here.
find out. Oh, all have my love and blessings. Be happy. Okay.
Thank you
Jai
very much.
Jai Ram.
Pranam Maharaj.
Pranam.
Thank you, Maharaj. Pranam, Maharaj.